Haga. You can't compare to this,
Lord. Right here.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hi world.
Hello.
We're in Alberta. And your name is?
Auntie.
Alrighty, let's go say hi to Uncle Jacob. Good morning, and yep, we are in Alberta.
Morning. Quick. Alright, where to, Octi?
You already have a pint.
Saying hello to you from Alberta. Welcome to the vlog. If you're a mainstay, you can see my aunt right behind me. If you're a mainstay of this channel, you caught us on the island a couple times to visit family. Now that family has moved to Alberta, and here we are now in our little countryside escape. I do have some work to do, so I might be working for a couple hours here. I hope you can hear me over the dog barks, but I'm bringing you some Alberta goodness. Also, look at this cat. Say hi, bear. Oh, that's a... Oh, are you hanging out? Come tag along with me in some adventure. That's my sister. Life is sweet. Take a bite. For real, for real. Yeah, it scared me.
Extended the table. White rice.
I'm waiting for the... There's eggs here. Just...
That should go upstairs.
Show us what you got, Octi Gray.
On my blue house, I love it. So let's put this way right there. Oh, so cute.
So cute. What's your favorite one? Which one's your favorite piece of furniture?
The bed.
The bed. Can you show it to the camera?
It's because you love sleeping.
There we go. That's the bed. Like this.
This is the toilet and bath.
There we go. That's the toilet and bath.
These are the living room chairs.
Living room chairs.
Yeah, but we're just going to pretend the bedroom is the living room.
Okay, the bedroom is the living room. We're just pretending. Okay.
Okay, this is the place. This is for dogs who are not that really tall.
Yeah, I'm learning so much about this. Is this Bluey's house?
No.
It's not Bluey's house? Oh, this is a Paw Patrol house. Really?
Amir smashed that. Amir smashed the blue house.
I think it's just gibberish at this point.
Amir just smashed the Patrol house on the house for the Patrol.
Tub goes in the bedroom. Okay.
Yeah, and I'll just take that one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, but I'll put it in. And we're going on a walk. We're going on a walk.
Hey! No, not you, big guy.
We're going on. They said that they're okay to go out.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Octi, let's go.
I wish I just got my Coke blood.
You wish you got your Coke Light?
No, Coke blood.
Coke Blood?
It really has blood though. It's called blood orange.
Blood Orange. Okay, I like that one.
Do you know what this is?
catching up. You want that?
Sure.
Down?
15 hands?
That's a lot.
I'll take it.
It's Papa
Here he
Bray.
comes. Beep beep. Beep beep.
I don't have a horn to honk at you.
And I
I have to go see if we can ride down the trail.
What's that, Oxy?
Oh, he's coming.
What's this? No, he flopped.
Oh, he's cozy over there.
I've done enough.
Get some shade with you guys.
Yeah,
But look,
I meant to move it here, but I got tired.
you have pictures.
Just gonna rub everyone.
Like this one.
Just gonna rub everyone, making sure we're friends.
Good job for washing your hands.
We're going on another walk. I just took a shower, feeling much fresher for sure. She wants to walk with her juice. So that's what we're doing.
Just waiting for y'all to catch up.
Jacob wants to drive the ATV
no, I don't mind
or the
walking.
side by side.
I don't mind walking.
He's like,
This
oh,
is
you
just
guys are
as nice.
so lame. You don't want to take the side by side or ATV.
No, I'll get my
Okay.
stuff.
I want to be in front.
Okay, go.
What are you doing? You want to? Okay.
Look at them RTX graphics.
Tonight's feast is nilaga. It's like a
Nothing.
pork
Nothing.
stew, I believe. Highly recommend if you ever are interested in Filipino food. Nilaga.
There you go. Mama chopped it now. Okay. Okay, massage happens after dinner, okay?
New ball. And two ball. You got that.
You're the cutest.
Me too.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Fail, 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 fail.
Stop, bro. Didn't ask for this. Boom. People are gonna think I'm crazy.
First sip, first sip.
You use that much creamer, Jacob?
It's not creamer, it's just milk. Good sip. Good morning. It is another day here in Alberta. And whoa. And it's coffee time, so let's do that. I think I'm opting for just an instant coffee rather than the espresso today though. That's a good stretch, boy. That's a good stretch. Good stretch, boy. Good stretch. Good morning. Someone lost her tooth.
Maybe I'm not in my right mind, but have you ever really thought about it? Somewhere on a timeline, we've been here before. It's black and white and left, right.
We're alive!
Despite the fact someone will doubt it. In everybody's lifetime, there is peace and war.
Yep.
I made this.
I know, that looks awesome.
You would think we learned something by now, but it always comes back around. Try to stay where I am, but something's pulling me. Run away, can't escape.
Corned beef, egg, fried rice.
Making something else. Do we go anywhere if history repeats itself?
We're gonna go get ready and head to the town to do some grocery shopping, maybe get a little treat or so.
Sleepy kangaroo.
Yeah. Are we gonna get?
Where's the purple yam?
Around. Okay, out. Hey, come here.
Okay, memers. Let's do this one more time. Come on. Around. Boom! Good boy.
I go.
I have flower.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, you're the first one.
Okay. Okay.
Just put the bird in a bag, then you can look.
It's very the old school.
Because you can't compare to this,
Bam,
right?
boys.
Paul.
I do have a construction paper there. I like the
Oh, like a wrapper type?
Yeah.
Okay. Next time.
Ang ano mo, may mas diri mag-madjum, no?
Ito to.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ito ka feel na feel. Ito ka official.
Look who it is. Fucking terrified.
The flux capacitor will send us back in time. Back to the future.
Maybe let's pull over. Oh, there we go.
Good.
Right here.
Yeah, what that means, Ati.
The other day we're driving into the gas. Isa and I both have our channels.
We can have your cake and I'll take this thing.
At home.
Wow, really?
Yeah, what's that called? Joker.
Joke.
Joke, no joke. That's the fair.
I hated was
The,
how
yeah,
to deal with the stinky.
yeah, litter box inside the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a little tricky if we didn't have a second bathroom.
Yeah, it would. Yeah.
Good
If you gain
morning.
weight, you can't really fit in there anymore. So you better not gain weight.
Pandesal, peanut butter, coffee.
Ugly.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Deep and wide.
Deep and wide. Yeah. I'm gonna go in first, okay? And then I'll make it deep and wide for you. Oh, look. Bear's here too. Jump in. I think he wants to come with. Slay.
Slay.
Later there'll be a jar. Feel free to.
I got no money, sorry.
Yeah. No, put what you can. We're doing some exploring today, folks. We did some gardening in the morning. I mean some landscaping, but now we're exploring. Hooves, little hoove marks right there.
On a stake, that is a property line. So really, there'll be some monsters. Yeah. So like the first 3 acres of
You guys got one yet?
No, not yet.
You can walk through there, but you definitely want
Wow, look at that. We are foraging. We are heading out to Walmart and we've got 3 things on our list. Graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate. Another adventure. Can you grab that, Aktida? Let's go. Let's go. Good job. But we want the big ones
Oh,
though.
look at this one.
We can't do the fruit flavored ones. It's gonna taste weird. A bunch of mini ones, and now we finally found ones that aren't minis. Let's go. Good job.
It's like a great value kind is perfect.
One maybe. We decided on the Arrow. Monster Jam. Amazing. Okay, let's go pay for it. Jacob's eating right over there on his own. While we're all over here. Today's menu is what again? Salmon. Did you end up doing it with the Japanese thing? Nice, with the Japanese barbecue sauce. Shout out Costco. Little dill pickle salad and rice. Protecting my freshly washed hair from the flames. Hello, good morning. It is our final day here in Alberta. We got Bear out and about again. Good morning, Bear. And we've got some work to do here, so we'll show you. This area here where we're trying to change into rocks, which we pretty much finished up yesterday, but we just have a little bit more to do on this side of the entrance here. That's our main big project today before we go. But yeah, tomorrow is our flight at 10 a.m. so we're gonna have to get going around like 6:30 or so. But so far it's been such a great trip. It's been nice to disconnect and not be on screens, just be in nature.
I have not disconnected from screens.
Yeah, that's true. It's really a perfect kind of wrap up to our summer. Alright, it's time to get to work. Catch you later. Just kidding, I need to turn this off. Stop.
Baby,
You're gonna have to bring it.
Hey, Mammy, where would you like them?
It's heavy. We need on approvals if we're gonna put these rocks on that, like on the soil under the deck, because the doggies are climbing in under the deck and getting themselves all dirty and stuff, so we're just gonna cover it with rocks and call it a day. After hours and hours of work, ta-da! It's all rocks, all filled out, no black tarps anywhere at all, even on the other side too, and it's even under the deck as well, so slay! I'm hiding again from the fire because we're doing a fire again. That is Octi Gray being loud and crazy. We do have to wake up at about 5:30 because we're leaving at 6 a.m. tomorrow for our 10 a.m. flight because it's still about a 2-hour drive away. We just finished dinner. We had some yummy chicken, grilled chicken.
No, I'm actually gonna die. You stink so bad.
Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell so you get notified when the next video comes out. Which I think is gonna be pretty cool because it's Switzerland time, baby. And Octi soon.